Hi, I'm Sarah, and I am a film and television editor, but I also have a side baking business called Lucky Treats. Boop, 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 boop. Today is a very special day because we are celebrating moms! Happy Mother's Day! And what better way to make your mom feel special, especially during these quarantine times, than with some lemon sugar cookies. Every mom loves lemon cookies. Well, at least mine does. So today we are gonna make lemon sugar cookies in the shape of flowers. What mom doesn't love flowers? Let's get out our ingredients. Flour, sugar, butter, vanilla, eggs, salt, and lemons. Ooh. Let's start baking. 6 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, boop. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Add 2 cups of sugar and 4 sticks of unsalted butter. It's light and floofy time. Add 1 egg. Add a second egg. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Zest 2 lemons. Ooh, zesty. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Then add all of your flour and salt mixture. Ooh, and now it's dough. Set your oven to 350. Let's roll out some dough. Lemon dough! Boop, 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 beep, 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 boop, beep, beep, boop. Fun fact, lemons have very powerful antibacterial properties. Maybe it should be a lemon a day keeps the doctor away. Cookies are baked, so it's royal icing time. 5 tablespoons of meringue powder. Add 3/4 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Boop. Whisk, 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 whisk. The juice of a half a lemon. Whisk, 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 whisk. 2 pounds of powdered sugar. Smooth. I guess I need to practice getting my hand out of the way. Decorate, decorate, dee 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 dee, decorate. Boop. Again with the hand. Pretty flower. Our cookies are decorated and dried. Time to package them up and deliver them to some moms. treats all around Los Angeles has been a surreal experience. It reminds me of a Maya Angelou quote that I love. We need joy as we need air. We need love as we need water. And we need each other as we need this earth that we share. Bring joy to someone you love today. Maybe your mother. Because joy is just one flour cookie away. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at lucky.treats. Happy baking!